Hi, my name is Amy Sipley. I'm a licensed acupuncturist here in the Nashville area and also serving Franklin, Tennessee. I wanted to do a quick 5-minute video showing you how to stretch the piriformis muscle and how to deal with sciatica symptoms. I've noticed a lot of people have these issues, and what you really need to do is a combination of stretching and strengthening. So 5 minutes a day or 5 minutes 3 times a day adds up to 15 minutes in your day. If you can start this in the morning, do one at lunch, and then do another 5 minutes sometime in the evening. This will get you on your way to feeling pain and numbness free. So let's get started. First, you're going to start by laying on your back. Bring your right knee up to your chest and hold for a count of 5. Then you're going to take this right knee over to the left side, outstretch your right arm, and allow this to stretch your hip here. When you've done your 5 count, take your right ankle onto your left leg and pull back. You're going to feel a big piriformis stretch here. Then you're going to take this right knee over to the left shoulder, and you'll feel it stretching a bunch of different muscles in your piriformis. After that, take this right leg straight up in the air, left leg all the way down. You can flex that foot for a further stretch down your hamstring. You want to pull back slightly, remembering that if you ever get pain or it's not feeling good, please stop any exercise that you're doing. Once that is done, take this leg down, left leg up. You're going to stretch this for 5 seconds. Then take this left knee all the way over to your right side, outstretch the left arm and stretch. You're going to feel a big stretch all the way down your body here. Take the left ankle to the right leg and pull back. This is going to stretch the piriformis and in the hip. Take the left knee to the right shoulder. And then left leg goes up, grab around your ankle and pull back. Take the right leg up, and we're going to do scissors here. So if this is a difficult exercise due to pain in the hips, you can guard the ball and socket joint and just kind of support that here. We're going to do a count of 10. So whichever way you're comfortable, just continue with that. Then once that's done, drop the feet down, and you're going to do clam for 10. And this just stretches different muscles in that piriformis and the ball and socket joint. Once you're done with that, take your hands, go underneath your buttocks, and we're going to do bicycle in the air. And you want to do this for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. This really loosens everything up. You can go, bicycle down here. This will provide more of a stretch and more of a strengthening. If you want less exertion, less force on your bones and joints, just keep that right up in the air. This helps with all that tingling and numbness that can occur in the feet and legs. Once you're done with that, drop your feet down to the floor, bring your hands out next to you, and we're going to go up into a bridge, and we're going to do this for a count of 10. Make sure when you're going into your bridge pose, you're keeping everything really tight in here. You want to firm up and flex your abdomen as you're going up, so just squeeze. This is a core strengthening exercise. You're going to feel some tension in the hip area and in the buttocks area, but this is actually strengthening that whole area. So come down and rest for a count of 5. When we go back up, what we're going to do is in and out with the knees. So touch the knees, try to keep your feet planted right on the ground. And again, we're going to do a 10 count here. Okay, come down and rest. We're gonna roll right over to our sides here. Brace your head. This is one of those exercises that is an absolute game changer for the piriformis syndrome. And by doing this, you're really strengthening that ball and socket joint. So if you're gonna skip an exercise, do not skip this one. Make sure you do your 10. And if you're just starting these exercises, you might find that this is really sore in there. So after you do your 10, take your leg over. You may need to rest it for a little bit. You may want to pound this out, get the blood, get the energy moving, just lightly tapping in this area. Once you're ready, come back into position. We're going to do knee to chest. You also might want to guard this ball and socket joint by just holding it in support. For those who have been doing this video for a while, you may not need that, so you can just keep your hand planted here. So we're going to do that for a count of 10. You can either flex your foot for more stretching, more strengthening, or you can point your foot and toes. So once that's done, rest for a few seconds. We're going to roll over here and come all the way down. The chin is resting on the floor. You're going to come up and do a cobra pose. Just hold this for about 3 to 5 seconds. Come down. Come back up, 3 to 5 seconds. And then what you want to do is roll right over, and then you can get started on your other exercises on the other side. For the purposes of this video, I'm just going to flip around and get started. So we're doing our 10. You may also feel and hear some popping here in this joint. This ball and socket joint is very much involved with piriformis syndrome and sciatica issues. So it's all about strengthening this joint. So we've done our 10. You can rest here or start right up with the chin to chest or knee to chest. And again, you can support this joint if you need to. Okay, there's our 10. We're gonna roll over now, and we're gonna do cat-cow. So get in position, your hands should be equal with your shoulders. And we're gonna start by arching the back, and then going the opposite way. And you wanna do 10 of these. And just really get in the motion of it, so you can get that Kundalini energy moving up and down your spine. Once you do this video a couple of times, you'll be able to do this on your own, at your own pace, doing as many reps as you'd like. So that's 10. What we're going to do is hop up or crawl up, whatever is easiest for you. And you want to do fingers to toes. So this is a forward bend. Again, wherever you're comfortable, you can touch the floor, you can touch your toes, you can be hanging above, you can grab the back of your ankles and hang down, you can bend your knees, you can shake your legs a little bit, whatever feels comfortable to you. Personally, I like to bend my knees a little bit and try and go down as far as possible, and then you can always reorient yourself, but as you continue to do this over and over every day, throughout the day, you're going to find that you get more and more flexible. And then all the way up, and really reach, and come back down one more time. And then start to shake it out. Okay, and we're going to come all the way up, and really stretch and reach for the ceiling. You can stand on your tiptoes. Just try to feel that nice big stretch throughout your body. Come all the way back down. We're going to do this forward bend again. Again, just touching wherever you feel comfortable. And back up. And now we're going to ground and center. So you've done your 5 minutes. You should be feeling nice and loose in here. You should be feeling strong in here, and you are ready to start your day. So I hope you all have a great day.